Are you looking for the best home theater projectors? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best home theater projectors on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. FUDONI Projector. The FUDONI Portable Projector is a powerful and flexible projector designed for indoor and outdoor use across education, home cinema, business, and gaming applications. It features native 1080p Full HD resolution with support for 4K content, delivering exceptional image clarity, color accuracy, and vibrant contrast with 15,000 lumens and a 10:0:0:1 contrast ratio. You can project images up to a massive 300 inches, and its 50 to 100% zoom function allows for easy screen size adjustment without repositioning the device. With dual-band 2.4G per 5G Wi-Fi, it supports smooth and stable wireless screen mirroring, while Bluetooth 5.1 ensures seamless connectivity to external speakers and headphones for immersive sound. It includes built-in hi-fi stereo speakers for robust audio and a detachable dust filter to prolong lifespan by preventing internal dust buildup. The projector supports front, rear, and ceiling mounting, and offers wide device compatibility via HDMI, USB, AV, and 3.5mm audio ports. While screen mirroring apps like Netflix or Hulu may not work due to copyright protections, streaming via HDMI or TV sticks like Roku or Fire TV works flawlessly. The FUDONI Projector is a feature-rich solution for big-screen entertainment in any setting. Number 2. GooDee Smart 4K Projector. The GooDee YG600 Moving Smart Projector is a feature-packed, Netflix-certified home cinema solution ideal for education, business, and gaming as well. It comes with built-in support for Netflix, Prime Video, YouTube, and more, allowing direct playback without needing external streaming devices. Although screen mirroring of apps like Netflix or Prime is restricted due to copyright policies, wireless mirroring from iOS, Android, and Windows is supported for other content. The projector offers electric focus and keystone correction, enabling quick and precise adjustments via remote for a perfect rectangular image. It features native 1080p Full HD resolution with 4K decoding support and ultra-fast 2.4G per 5G Wi-Fi 6 for smooth online streaming. With 800 ANSI lumens brightness, a maximum 400-inch screen size, and Dolby Audio with built-in 2x5W speakers, it delivers immersive sound and vibrant visuals. The upgraded Bluetooth 5.2 allows easy connection to external speakers, ideal for backyard movie nights. It includes 50 to 100% zoom, supports high-refraction 6-layer glass lenses, and uses premium components from Germany and Japan to ensure sharp, bright, and color-rich images. The use of high-tech dust-blocking materials ensures longevity, and GooDee backs it with lifetime technical support. Number 3. YABER Pro V9. The YABER V9 Smart Projector is a high-performance home cinema device designed for effortless setup and vivid visuals. Featuring autofocus and 6D auto keystone correction, it aligns and sharpens the image automatically within 5 seconds of powering on. Equipped with a displacement gyroscope and environmental sensor, it adjusts the picture dynamically to maintain clarity. It boasts native 1080p resolution, 4K content support, 600 ANSI lumens brightness, and a 20:0:0:1 contrast ratio, delivering lifelike image quality with 121% sRGB and 99% NTSC color accuracy. Powered by Wi-Fi 6, it ensures ultra-fast, stable wireless streaming with minimal latency when paired with modern routers. For audio, the projector includes 12W hi-fi speakers with Bluetooth 5.2 for wireless connection to headphones or external sound systems. The fully-sealed optical engine protects against dust, ensuring durability and long-lasting image quality. With versatile connectivity including HDMI, USB, AV, and a 3.5mm headphone jack, the YABER V9 supports phones, PCs, TV sticks, and gaming consoles. Backed by a 3-year warranty, 6-month return policy, and 24/7 lifetime technical support, this projector is a reliable and feature-rich choice for home entertainment. Number 4. Epson Home Cinema 3800. The Epson 4K PRO UHD Home Cinema Projector is a top-tier entertainment solution designed for immersive viewing and gaming. Utilizing Epson's advanced 4K PRO UHD projection technology, it offers a true cinematic experience with enhanced resolution, rich color processing, and image refinement. Its 3 LCD design ensures 100% of the RGB color signal is projected for every frame, eliminating the rainbow effect and color brightness issues found in some other technologies. Featuring 4K pixel shifting, the projector processes millions of pixels across 3 HD LCD chips, delivering stunning clarity and sharpness. With full 10-bit HDR support, it captures the full range of HDR source data, providing breathtaking detail and contrast, while real-time 12-bit video processing smooths out tonal transitions and reduces artifacts like banding and blocking. It boasts 3000 lumens of both color and white brightness and a 100:000:1 contrast ratio for vivid black levels and vibrant highlights. Full support for 18 gigabits per second HDMI 2.0 ensures compatibility with 4K HDR content at 60 Hz, making it ideal for movies and gaming alike. The precision multi-element glass lens allows for clear, edge-to-edge focus and easy alignment with vertical and horizontal lens shift. Additional features include dual 10W built-in speakers, aptX Bluetooth for external audio connectivity, and active 3D support for an immersive three-dimensional viewing experience. Number 5. Epson Home Cinema LS11000. The Epson Home Cinema LS11000 is a premium gaming and home theater projector that delivers stunning 4K PRO UHD visuals with a native resolution of 3840 by 2160, utilizing advanced pixel shifting technology and 3 high-definition LCD chips. Featuring precision shift glass plate technology, it ensures crystal-clear images with exceptional sharpness. Powered by a laser array light source and Epson's proprietary picture processor, the LS11000 produces vibrant colors, 2500 lumens of color and white brightness, and deep black contrast for a truly immersive viewing experience. Its true 3-chip 3 LCD engine continuously projects 100% of the RGB color signal, eliminating rainbow effects and maintaining brightness consistency. The projector supports full 10-bit HDR processing, including HDR10+ and HLG, with real-time curve adjustment for perfect HDR reproduction. With a smooth 120 Hz refresh rate and advanced frame interpolation, motion in gaming and fast-paced content is fluid and clear. Boasting a dynamic contrast ratio greater than 1:200,000:1 and an Epson cinema lens designed to prevent light leakage and ensure uniform sharpness across the entire screen, the LS11000 excels in bright or ambient light environments. Connectivity options such as USB, Ethernet, and HDMI offer versatile device compatibility, making it ideal for gaming enthusiasts and home cinema lovers alike.